Question, real estate in California. What the Seriously, can someone help? What's an escrow? What's an ARM? What is an REO? What is pre-approval? Can I get pre-approval? Why is inventory so low? Why are interest rates so high? Oh, interest rates not so high? How low is low? How not so high is right.
Before you go down the road of questions, get expert help at championsofhome.com. California Association of Realtors. Who's your realtor?
Pool days call for cookouts and lots of laundry. This Memorial Day at Lowe's, save $80 on a Charbroil Performance Series 4-burner gas grill. Now just $199. Plus, get up to 45% off select major appliances to keep dishes, clothes, and food fresh. Having fun in the sun is easy with us in your corner. Our best lineup is here at Lowe's. Valid through 5/27. While supplies last. Selection varies by location. See associate or Lowe's.com for details.
Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. There is a product which is a PLR Firesale, and it's called AI-Powered Content Factory, PLR Firesale. So the Firesale means it just goes on for 4 days. They do this on a regular kind of basis. As I'm recording this, there's 2 hours and 12 minutes left. 2 days and 12 hours and 7 minutes left. Sorry. So let's see. It's over. Today's the 12th. Let's say it ends at the end of the 15th, probably is the way that works. Maybe at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time on the 15th. So you got a few days. And this is a 50-part done-for-you coaching curriculum with private label rights. The whole content factory part. Produce more content in 30 days than in a year. So this is AI content. 50 written lessons, 50 expert video lessons, 50 on-the-go audio lessons, 50 presentation slide decks, editable e-cover templates, 200 FAQ and expert answers with, and these are the things to sell it with: the high-impact sales letter, delivery page, pre-sale report. So that's the kind of the free giveaway to get people on your email list, lead capture page, delivery page, the affiliate center, banner graphics and email swipes, and private label rights license. So this is a monster pack. I think it's $28 and let's go to the bottom and double this. $28.43 as I record this right now. So you're not getting a quick $7 PDF. You're getting a ton of stuff. Let you read all about it. You click the link in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. See a lovely picture of the AI-powered content factory, high profit digital assets playbook. You click that and you're at the page. You can buy it for $28.43 as we speak right now. Bit of a description, private label rights. It ends, like I said, 12 o'clock CT, whatever that time is, Central Standard. So not Eastern, not Pacific, somewhere in the middle. Okay, I'll let you figure that out. 50 focused written and video lessons that simplify content creation, boost output, and help people overcome overwhelm. So everybody wants this, right? So you're going to sell this. You're going to buy this for $28. You're going to resell the whole pack or individual parts. I'd say the whole pack. You got a PLR license. You got the whole thing. It's a 50-part training session about if you're teaching or coaching, evergreen practical kind of content, and away you go. So click the link and check it out. It's at my site at marketingsharks.com. You click the product box and you can grab it for $28.43 right now as we speak. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is about 3 more days left for the AI-powered content factory PLR Firesale, just under $30. Check it out.